Good evening. How are we doing? Yeah, so for your KG, there was a previous video I did. So I'm just going to show you the me for your KG and your re. So your me is your B minor. You bar this is what they call bar chords. You bar it, second fret. You put this guy here, your middle finger, third fret, second string, and then your pinky on your fourth fret, third string, and then your ring finger on the upper one, which is the fourth string. So it will sound like this. Can you see? It will sound like this. So your re is A minor. So you see it here. This here. Yeah. Fourth. Ring is on your third. Sorry. So remember your G. Do, re, mi. The me I just taught you now. Then your fa. Your la is E minor. In case you are just watching for the first time. You see here. And down. La. Yeah. So see you on the next video.